morning, just woke up.
Hello everyone, this is Fakini recording a get ready with me video. It's morning time, just woke up, look at all that bed hair. Grabbing a paddle brush to brush it out. Pulling the shedding. Putting my hair up in a messy bun so I can wash my face and apply some makeup. It's a cold morning. Putting on a headband because I don't want to get my hair wet, and also the cleanser is quite harsh and I don't want it to strip the color off my hair. Pulling up my sleeves so I don't get wet. Splashing some water on my face. Using a foaming cleanser from Aveeno. Shaking the bottle. Pumping it into my hands and just emulsifying the product. Applying it to my face. Massaging it thoroughly, going down to my neck, forehead. I love the foaming cleanser because it's really like zero effort. While that's sitting and absorbing all the oil, grabbing my manual brush, toothbrush, and grabbing the lid off of that. Using the Lumino coconut toothpaste. Drying my face by pressing down a washcloth and just like really kind of massaging the muscles. I'm a side sleeper, so I tend to wake up a little bit puffy. So this is sort of my way of just like, touching my face, massaging it, giving it some love. Washcloth is nice and clean, no makeup residue from the night before. Here I am. Oh, I got my hoodie wet. I love this, like, is it a periwinkle? It's like a powder blue color. Applying a moisturizer. This one in particular, I think it's a Clinique Gel Moisturizer. It's very cooling, it's easy to apply, it blends very beautifully. And just kind of spreading it out throughout my cheeks and my forehead. I'm going to do a light makeup look, pulling it down to my neck. So I definitely want like a layer of moisture underneath all that makeup that I'm going to be applying. Alright, I think I got it. Sort of like my last ditch effort of just waking up my face. From a night of restless sleeping, here I am with a fan, just sort of like blowing air to my skin so it quickly dries up because I'm in a hurry. So this is sort of like my tip. Using Rimmel foundation, I love the packaging. It has like a swab that you can easily spread the product. The product is very like lightweight, so it's not full coverage. It doesn't just feel like you're wearing a mask. You can definitely see imperfections underneath, and I'm okay with that. So just applying it throughout my cheeks, between my eyebrows, and here I am with a concealer from Pretty Vulgar in a darker shade, and just applying it in my under eyes, just dashing it through on my eyelids. Grabbing a makeup brush, this is from IT Cosmetics, and just tapping the product and swiping it through my cheeks, underneath my eyes, sides of my nose, blending it in, other side. Being very meticulous about it. I believe the more you invest time-wise on just your foundation, the better your makeup will look. So pulling it down to my neck so it's sort of like a seamless transition. The shade matches between my face and neck. Going in between my eyebrows, and just finally whatever product I have left, I'm kind of going over it my eyelids. I have very large dark circles. I've had them since I was a tween, so I need to put some extra love into my eye area. Otherwise I look like a raccoon. So again, blending it out. Going in with a powder from Cargo. It's in a darker shade because I want to kind of balance the color out. So as you recall, I use a darker concealer. Now I'm going in with a darker powder to kind of just set my makeup for the day. It's going to be sort of a long day for me, and I definitely don't want to reapply anything. So I'm just setting it in with powder. A tip that I have is I moisturize before, so my skin is not like super dry or anything. So I have a layer of moisturizer underneath, and I have my foundation, and then I kind of finish it off with the powder. Here I am curling my lashes. So just clamping down the curler, twisting it a little bit, and then pressing down, like pumping the handles so that my lashes can curl, fanning them out so they're not like connected. Doing the other eye. Love this curler. It's from GRWMs, and I think I got it from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. The reason why I love it is because it's more curvier than my other eyelash curlers. So, yep. Going in with a brow pencil and just brushing the hairs to remove any like excess foundation or powder that might have inadvertently been applied on my bushy eyebrows. This is from Morphe. It's very affordable. I love this product. It's got like a slanted tip and it's a bit thicker. And I'm going in the inner corners where I have bold spots and just drawing them in. Just very light hand. I definitely don't want to have like two caterpillars sitting on the top of my eyes. So now I am brushing them up like the way of like how my hair grows. And just to blend the product and bring it throughout the eyebrow. And then going back in and drawing in any bold spots I might have missed. This is an eyeshadow palette from Maybelline New York. It's very neutral and brown colors, perfect for fall and winter. I grabbed a very light shade and I'm applying it underneath my eyebrows just to cover any like pigmentation, any scabs I have. Then I'm going in with another light color and kind of blending it left and right over my eyelid, the entire eyelid from inner corner to outer corner and crease. Then I'm going back in with a lighter color and applying it on my inner corners because I have some dark coloring in there. Again, like I guess I have super dark circles and sometimes foundation and concealer don't do the job. So since eyeshadows are very pigmented, I kind of apply eyeshadow. Going in with mascara, blinking down to kind of expedite the process of applying it, making sure that I coat the entire, like my entire eyelash area from outer to inner corner, being very cautious so that I don't like make any smudges. Sometimes I wiggle the wand so I can evenly coat the lashes, kind of angling my face so you know here I am brushing out any smudges or flakes with a spoolie. Going in with a very dark foundation. This is my tip to just carve out your face with a dark foundation. You can use a concealer, but I like using a foundation because it's less. It's lighter. It's not as full coverage. So I kind of carve out my cheekbones, kind of going above the cheekbone, the sides of my nose to slim it down. I have a wide nose, so I want to create a narrow look. So blending that in with a foundation brush. And then the other cheek. Kind of finding my cheekbone and sticking with a natural bone structure of my face. You probably noticed like before I was more like rounder and puffier, and now I kind of have a more chiseled look. Drawing down my chin line. I have a prominent chin line, but still I kind of want to add dimension. So going in with a Tarte blush. It's like a mini blush. I love Tarte blushes. They're pigmented, but they come in like very soft shades, so you don't look clownish. But going in with a light hand and just applying it on my cheekbones and over my nose, like where I would naturally get red if I was like sitting under the sun. Just adding some color to my face. Adding more youth. I love a sun-kissed look. So up next, I'm gonna pull down my hair. For some reason, I cannot apply I cannot apply makeup when my hair is down. Like I want it away from my face. Just pulling it down and fluffing it out a bit, so it's not as puffy, or poofy. Kind of just brushing it out using my fingers. I have a highlighter next. I think it's from Steve Laurent or something. A fan brush from Real Techniques. Going over my cheekbone, the tip of my nose to kind of illuminate it from the bottom up. And then the top of my nose and between my eyes, just to give it some shimmer and some light. And then the top of my cheekbones. Going in with a lip liner from NYX in a very natural lip shade. Overlining my top lip line, but not like exaggerating it too much. And then lining my bottom lip at exactly the line. And then drawing it in to give it a more even look. Helping the process by kind of like tightening my lips around my teeth so that it's a flatter surface and easier to apply and kind of draw the pencil. Going in with a lip gloss, again sticking with NYX. These are their popular butter glosses. You can find them anywhere, CVS, Ulta, very affordable. This is either a Eclair or Creme Brulee, a very light shade. They smell great, they taste great. It's one of my favorite NYX products. Going in again with a lash curler. This one has a brush sort of accessory attached. So as I'm curling my lashes, as I'm pulling away, my lashes are being combed so that any clumps are removed and they're nice and separated. So very cool. I think I got this from Marshall's. Staring myself, make sure that I don't have any smudges or flakes or any other imperfections. Again, this is a very light makeup look. There's no eye pencil or anything. So this is what my hair looks like prior to signing up with Monet. I've recently signed up with Monet and waiting for my product delivery. So this is my hair. I've got a lot of hair. It's very dry and damaged and I'm looking to repair it. So I have multiple layers and this is sort of a video documentary of what my hair looked like before Monet and hopefully transform into a beautiful head of hair afterwards. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.